In this lesson, we will add text views in the layout. This text very small and we need two bigger text views. Let's delete the current text view. Hide emulator, choose our text view and then press delete key. Our text view was deleted. Also, we can delete it to click right button and then choose delete. Our app now shows only constraint layout. Let's add a text view in the upper left of our app to congratulate our friend. The palette of the layout editor contains other categories of different types of views, which we can add to our app. Find text view. It appears in common and in text, and drag it to our layout. Notice a red exclamation in component tree. It's missing constraints in constraint layout. Our text view will be jumped to a different position in our app and we will fix it. To fix this warning, choose our text view and then find constraint widget attribute. Click top plus. This is constraint between the top of our text view and between the top of our constraint layout. Change this definition, for example 24, and then push Enter key. If you haven't any effect, choose Layout Margin Top and change it to 24 dp. dp, it's like a centimeters on the screen. Do the same for the left margin. Tap plus and then choose 24. It will be changed automatically. Then set the text to wish your friend, for example, my congratulations. Elon Musk. Then add and position another text view, drag it and drop near the bottom right corner. Set a right margin of 24 and set bottom margin of 24. Right margin, it's okay, but the bottom margin is not 24. Click in this attribute and set 24 dp. Enter. Set the text attribute to sign your card, for example, from John Gold. Enter. Run your app. You should see your app. You should see your wish in the upper left and you should see your sign in the bottom right. In the next lesson, we will add the style to our text. See you soon.